Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. And today we will be vlogging with my dog Hershey. Yep. She likes to go in people's yards. It's weird. Cringe. Yeah. There's nothing really to do out here. Hershey, come on. Hershey. Yeah. Why are you sniffing the car, Hershey? I don't know. For some reason, she likes to go in the car with us. Yeah. For vlogs, I'm gonna call her the vlog dog, cause I'm doing a vlog. And Kitty's a cat dog vlog. The dog vlog goes better than cat vlog. And there's my precious kitty cat. There's my beautiful kitty. They're friends. Not really. Sometimes they fight. For some reason. Just walking with the dog. Yeah. There's really nothing to do around here. Mostly the same. My kitty. Why do you like to meow a lot? I don't know. He likes to meow. Spadoopy dooper derp. Let's spin the camera around. Yeah. I'm kind of running out of ideas for videos. Yeah. I don't know. When I first started YouTube, I had a bunch of ideas, but not really that much. I know I'm going to do the movie. That's going to be in parts. And I'm going to do the school series. You know what? Never mind on the school series. I don't want to do that. Yeah. It's probably going to be dumb anyway. What do you think, Hershey? Hershey? Yeah, I don't think she understands. Hershey! Oh, there. Okay. I wonder what Brian's doing. I don't know. I guess he's playing Fortnite. I don't know. He's addicted to Fortnite. But who knows? Right? Yeah. Wait. I just got an idea. Have you seen my old channel, Swag and Foxy X numbers? I don't remember what the numbers were. But I can recreate the videos. Would you guys like me to recreate my old videos from my first channel? Leave a comment down below if you want that, or just a like button. I don't know. I don't remember. The first video was like a meeting thing, kinda, but I don't have Angry Birds. I could just I might recreate some old videos, maybe. Probably Sonic 7 Up. Maybe. I don't make videos like that. But if I get like another friggin' account, I could actually do another channel. Like, it will probably be called FNAF Plus Stars 48 instead of 47. Or probably Swagton and Foxy. FNAF Plus Stars, extras, bloopers, and exclusive videos. Yeah. I'll probably do another channel. Comment down below if you want another channel. Or probably just like, I don't know. Just like some exclusive videos to that channel, or Hershey. Hershey. Say hello. I don't know, every time when I like breathe in her ear, she doesn't like it. Watch. Exactly. She doesn't like that. Don't do it. Yeah. Come on, let's go. And we're off on another journey. Another journey with my dog. Hershey, I can't go over there. Do you expect me to go over here? Exactly. And there's my Theo. Hey, Theo. And here we go. Morning jug. Or should I say the early worm catches. The other bird catches the worm. Yeah. Exactly. And then there comes Kitty. Sure, right, Hershey. Right.
Pick him up.
Up.
No, put him over there.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh. Alright, bye, Theo. Yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And always, stay golden. Bye! Hershey, Hershey, Hershey.